To all the lovely first graders of George Washington, I miss you. Today we're going to be learning more about the blue penguin. We're going to be adding the blue penguin to our class height chart. I wonder if you are shorter than the blue penguin. I wonder if you're taller than the blue penguin. I wonder if you're the exact same height. Let's figure out. Well, here's a picture of the blue penguin. Let's see. And another one. And in this picture, look, he looks like he went for a swim. Let's see, one more picture. Another one that went for a swim. So as we read our poem about the blue penguin today, I want you to listen for key details. Key details. And you're going to have, actually I don't think you have this page, just I have this page where we're going to record some of those key details and we're going to color some of those body parts. So let's go ahead and read. Little Blue Penguin. I'm a little blue penguin, and I'm here to say I live in Australia and New Zealand, far, far away. My back has bluish feathers, but my front is very white. I can't defend myself from danger, so I swim to shore at night. I weigh 2 to 3 pounds, and I'm 16 inches high. If you look carefully, you'll see my yellow eye. I use a burrow for my nest to keep me safe from harm. It helps to keep me cool when the temperature is warm. I have a small gray-black beak and feathers bluish gray and white. I have 2 pinkish orange feet. I don't know how to fight. People in these regions sit on bleachers at night. They know when little blues come ashore. It's a wonderful sight. This was written by Donna Burke, illustrated by Tyson Smith. Did you enjoy this poem? What key details did you hear? Did you hear how much it weighs? You did? How much does it weigh? 2 to 3 pounds. Good job. I'm going to go ahead and underline that key detail. I weigh 2 to 3 pounds. Did you hear how tall the penguin is? Oh, great, you did. How tall? 16 inches? Oh, yes, right there on the very next line of the poem. Any other key details? What color is that beak? Do you remember the beak? What color is the beak? Did you hear it? Gray-black. And I went and underlined that part, a gray-black beak. And what about the feathers? Bluish gray and white. White in the front part. Do you remember what color the feet were? The feet. Pinkish orange feet. And I went ahead and underlined those key details. Bluish gray and white for the feathers. And pinkish orange feet. Great. So let's record some of those key details on our chart for the little blue penguin. The height of the little blue penguin was how many inches? 16 inches, that's right. And what was the weight? 2 to 3 pounds, that's good. So I'm going to record that right there. The height of the little blue penguin is 16 inches. The weight of a little blue penguin is 2 to 3 pounds. Next part it says is color in the body parts shown to match the coloration of the little blue penguin. So the tummy part, that part, those feathers stayed white. Okay, so I won't color those. But what about on the back? What about on the back? What about those feathers? A bluish gray? Okay, I'll color those back feathers a bluish gray. Wonder if you'll be able to see it. Yeah? Okay, great. Now what about that beak part? Do you remember the beak? Uh-huh. Gray, black. So I'm going to color the beak a grayish black. And then just kind of mix these two crayons on my plastic cover here of my paper. And I got my beak a grayish black. And what about the feet? The feet, do you remember? Do you need to look back at the reading? Always look back if you need to. You see it? 2 pinkish orange feet. There it is. So pinkish orange. I'm just going to have to mix my pink and my orange. Well, this is an apricot orange. And I'm going to mix those crayons together on my paper. And here I go. It's kind of hard on the plastic, but there we go. Pinkish orange feet. So, I need a volunteer to see how tall they are on our class measuring chart. Look here. I'm in my son's room, and I'm using his measuring tape here. And then I had to add some more on the bottom because look, the little blue penguin is way down here at 16 inches tall. 16 inches. And then if I go up, 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 the emperor penguin is here at 45 inches tall. Where would Mrs. Draper be? Let's compare. Oh, well, I'm way up here I'm 5 foot 6 inches. So if you want a challenge, I'm not going to tell you right now, but you can figure out how tall in inches Mrs. Draper is if she's 5 feet 6 inches. I'll give you a clue. Every foot has how many inches again? Oh, do you know? So if I have 5 of them and then 6 more, well, that's a fun challenge. You can work together with your older brothers or sisters or someone in your family if you want to figure that out. So let's get back to our measuring here. Remember the emperor penguin that we studied yesterday with Miss Chen was 45 inches tall, and then today with Mrs. Draper we're studying the little blue penguin down here at 16 inches. And oh, I wonder how tall my son is. Oh, well, guess what? As I was making this video, my little child just fell asleep on the carpet. Oh, I was going to measure him for you. It's a good thing I measured him right before because I think he got tired. Well, how tall do you think he was? How tall? He's 31 inches. 31 inches. Right there. 31 inches. So we had Little Blue, my son who's now asleep on the floor instead of a participant in this video, and the emperor penguin at 45 inches tall. So let's think about those numbers. We have 45 inches and 31 inches. Emperor Penguin and my son Theo. And look, this is how you write inches with a little symbol. What's that? It looks like quotation marks. It sure does. Oh my gosh, how funny is that? Wow. Let's think about which of those numbers is bigger and which of those is smaller. Do you remember our greater than, less than, and equal than or equal to signs? No. Oh. Which is the larger number, 45 or 31? Which way should the symbol go? Which way does it go again? Would the big number go toward the open side or the closed side? The big number goes to the open side. It's like it wants to eat the bigger number. That's right. So let's see. 45 is greater than 31. Your turn to say it. 45 is greater than 31. One more time. Okay, let's try two more of those measurements from our chart. 31 inches, the height of my napping son, and 16 inches, the height of the, oh, that's right, little blue penguin. Which symbol? How are we going to write this? 31 is then 16. 31, what? Oh, I made a mistake? Oh, I'm not saying the inches? Good catch, good catch. Okay, that's really important. 31 inches is then 16 inches. 31 inches is equal to 16 inches? Is this right? Are they the same amount? Are they the same height? No? Okay, I'll change it. Okay, what should I do? 31 is, oh, it's also greater. Okay, so 31 inches is greater than 16 inches. Okay, let's try the last one here. 45 inches, that emperor penguin, and 16 inches, the little blue. 45 inches is then 16 inches. What is that? Okay, say the whole thing. 45 inches is greater than 16 inches. Good job. Let's try to put these numbers in. Oh, wait a sec. What? You had noticing? You hadn't. Oh, okay. What is it? Oh, good logic. If 45 is greater than 31, if 45 inches is greater than 31 inches, and 31 inches is greater than 16 inches, then 45 inches is also greater than 16 inches. Well, let's think about this. If the emperor penguin is taller than my son, and my son is taller than the little blue, is the emperor penguin also taller than the little blue penguin? Why, yes, of course. Oh, good noticing. Okay, let's try to put these heights in order. We have 31 inches, 16 inches, and 45 inches. Let's put them in order going from the least to the greatest, from the smaller number to the larger number. Okay, smaller number to the larger number. Oh, you have some ideas. What number should go first? What number would be at the end? Which one do you want to put in the middle? Okay, go ahead and say it. Remember the inches. 16 inches. 31 inches. 45 inches. You got it. You got it in order going from least to greatest. Thank you for doing math with me today. I wonder what we're going to do with the penguins tomorrow. Miss Chen, what are we going to do? Kids, tune in tomorrow as Miss Chen helps you learn more with the penguins.